Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So this is the beginning of another vlog. Here we were just going to IKEA to get bed frame for my kids. The one they had before, it got spoiled because they were always jumping on it, and some of the screw broke, some got lost, and we couldn't just find where to buy screw to fix it. So we threw that away and we decided to get them a new bed. So this is us at IKEA. This was the particular bed we got, and we already found the one we wanted online. We just went there to check it physically, and this is us checking those other beds. And this one is also nice. It has a storage space beneath it. And here we were just with the shopping and looking at kitchen ideas and things we like in a home that we would love to incorporate when we eventually buy our own house. So I love any kitchen that has white cabinets, but this is not my favorite because the cabinet has transparent doors or transparent glass or whatever. So we checked out some other things before we left. Here I checked this place out. I don't like it because the wall painting was black. I love bright colors for the walls. Anyway, after we left here, we went straight down to make payment and to make arrangement for delivery. So, and this is us downstairs. My husband went to check the size if it will fit into our car, but it couldn't. So we went ahead to pay for delivery, and here is me just checking out the bed frame. So guys, today is Saturday and we are going out to water parks. We just want to round up our summer holiday. Unfortunately, the summer holiday is over and it went by so fast, but nevertheless we had a swell time. We enjoyed ourselves during this summer holiday. This I didn't pack it, I didn't zip up. So the swimsuits are here. I didn't buy any swimwear because it's just a one-off thing. So but what I bought is this life jacket. I was actually looking for the floater, the ones you put on the arm, but all the ones I saw was for girls. It had a lot of pinkish and a lot of, they are for girls. So I checked Canadian Tire, I checked Walmart. So I got this for about $34 or so before tax. It's quite pricey in Canadian Tire. I think it was $70-something in Canadian Tire, but in Walmart I got this for $34 each. So I think I'm ready. I'm waiting for my husband went out. He went to play football with his friends. So I'm waiting for him to be back, then we'll head out to our water park. I bought this also. Yes, can come in. Who's your clothes? Sit now. this bottle, but I don't know how we are going to inflate it.
You have to put air in it.
How? We don't have a pumper.
What is it?
Am I forgetting anything? I'll just hold my shoe, but I don't think I want to wear this shoe and get it dirty, because I think we're using a field and the sand and everything will make the shoe dirty. So I'll catch you guys at the venue. like this. I was super lucky. We heard that there was tomato in a very far place, like 30 something minutes away from us. So by the time we got there, the tomatoes are finished. So on our way back, my husband just said, let's just check a store that is not too far from our house. As I was entering the store, lo and behold, I saw boxes of tomatoes. So I picked the one I could pick. I also picked from my friend. She later came to meet me there, and we brought everything home. So I'll give some boxes out to my sister's friend. So I don't wash my tomatoes before storing them, because I will still wash them before using it. And these are a lot of boxes. I can't spend the whole day or weeks in washing tomatoes. So what I do is that I bag them in Ziploc bags. Then anytime I want to cook with it, I bring out some and rinse it before blending. That's cool.